morning. Let's go. Welcome back. Suot ko na naman yung damit ni Ben. Jacket ni Ben. Ayan, that's our 2 p.m. for today, you guys. Na pala, it's 10:28. So, mamaya may meeting ako sa school ng school ni ate ng 1:30. So, mag-lunch muna kami ni Riker na bago kami umalis. And then, mayroon ding therapy si ate. So, diretso na kami afternoon sa Hydro. And then, I think hopefully Ben can come sa meeting so he can bring Riker home para hindi ko na siya isama din sa hydrotherapy ni ate. So, ayan. House chores lang for today. I was gonna unbox some of baby's gamit din. Like yung camera niya para matest ko na and ma-charge. So, today it's 80% chance. And then, yeah, gusto ko na rin unbox yung Mom Cozy bottle washer and yung breast pump para ma-wash natin yung bottles din. Because we're currently, 32 weeks and 3 days. Yes, so 8 more weeks to go, you guys. Here we're gonna see this baby. Yeah, yung next midwife appointment ko is sa 30th of June, and Ate and Zoe's gonna come, not next week, but the following week. So that'll be nice.
I-harvest na pala natin itong mga carrots natin, guys. I think they're ready. So, hindi naman natin itong isa. Sampulan natin. Ay! Ang liit niya pa pala eh. Oh, cute. Joke lang pala. Anyway, ganyan lang siya kaliit. Oh, ang liliit pa pala nila. Well. Hindi ko muna i-harvest yung iba.
And then, gusto ko palang mag-order ng Robo Vacuum. So, baka i-order ko na siya soon. Yung inaay ko is yung Dreamy X50 Ultra. Punta na tayo ng school, you guys. And we got a good news! Yay! Na-approve si Ate Marivic! Na-approve ang kanyang tourist visa, you guys. And it's multiple entry din. So, yung expiry niya is 1 year. And she have maximum stay na 3 months every entry. So, that was good! Thank you, Lord! Yay! Good job. Let's go, Baba. Tapos na pala kami sa hydrotherapy ni ate, guys. Seatbelt, please. Thank you. 3:40 na. Harley, seatbelt. Thank you. Ayan. Bahay na pala kami, guys. So, nagluluto na ako ng dinner namin. It's already 4:59. So, di pala dito magde-dinner si Ben. So, ako lamb and the kids are chicken and roasted potatoes yung amin. Binaboil ko lang muna. Harley is just here in the playroom. And nagpabili pala ako ng isa pang box kay Ben Perina. Para dalawa yung, para magkasya lahat, no? Kasi punong-puno na yung isa. Nag-arrive na rin tong, in-order ko na, para sa bag ko, sa Neverfull ko. Kasi gagawin ko nga siyang nappy bag. So, unbox natin. Tingnan natin kung maganda siya. Ito na lang yung hinihintay ko. So, unbox natin. Tingnan natin kung maganda siya. Ito na lang yung last na item para kay baby. Kasi yung Neverfull ko, yan na lang yung nappy bag ko din. Paglalabas ba. Hindi na ako bumili ng backpack or any other nappy bag. Ang kulay niya. Oh. Open siya ng ganyan. Kasi itong nasa gitna is, pang change pad. So, pag iti-change mo siya sa labas. Ito natin siya sa ating bag. Ano ba ito? So, ayan. So, meron siyang pang bote na insulated na. Tapos, yung mga bags for nappies here and wipes. So, nakaganyan siya. Nakakala kayo guys, na-burn ko pa yung sarili ko sa tiyan. Kasi nakaganyan ako. Sana okay lang to. Sumalpik yung mantika sa aking lamp. Buksan ko pa talaga. Ayan, nagdi-dinner na sila guys. That's Hallie's. And then Riker. Ito yung akin. My lamb. I'll just put my potatoes. Ano talaga na-burn pa. Sana okay lang. Ayan, kain tayo guys. Lagyan ko ng chili. Chili. Rainy morning, you guys. Happy Saturday. It's already
Which Dubai line?
by 8:41.
Are we going that way or that way?
Woodville.
Oh, this one.
Yep, we're out and about and it's wet. Look at that, it's rainy. It's pissing down with rain. We're going to a cafe because we want to celebrate. We want to celebrate today and I want French toast. Hi, who wants some pancakes?
Me.
Hey, Holly. Good morning. Wait. Morning, Holly.
Daddy's raining so heavy.
Look at this weather, you guys. Ayan, we're here sa bread and butter. We're gonna have French toast, guys. I've been craving for French toast. And look at Rika. Nasa labas kami. Buti na may outdoor table sila kasi puno yung loob nila. You can hear the rain. Okay? Hindi naman ganun kalamig.
Mommy,
It's surprisingly, it's not too cold.
Mommy,
No?
I do it.
You don't even need the
Mommy, I
heater.
just do it.
Well done. Look at guys. Look at what Riker did. That's pretty good, baby. Harley is just drawing. I think she drew a seahorse. It does look like a seahorse, hey?
I brought
Oh, wow.
in Texas love.
Did you? I was gonna buy her some nga too, but I didn't. Well, and then she does that. Meron akong stapler na maliliit and cute.
It's in my car. Just got it.
It's okay. Is it working, Bobby? You need help?
I put it.
Yeah. You need help?
I put it.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. Yan, kape tayo guys. Buti na lang meron pa silang mga pencils. Kasi nag-dry na yung akin. Cute na itsura ng hash brown nila guys. Hindi mukhang hash brown. Here's the French toast, you guys. Ang sarap. Kain tayo. The kids have pancake. Naghati lang sila. Ayan. Busog tayo. 9:30 na and you know what? Papunta kami ng Kia. Tingin lang naman kami ng car. Tingnan lang namin yung Kia Carnival. Let's have a look. But, we'll see. I don't know. That China car. Ayan. So, it's pretty big. It's a good size, guys. Tingnan nyo. So, si Harley na yan yung sa likod. and baby and Riker here, and then meron ka pang extra seat dito, and then dalawa pa dun. No? Yung nalaki ng boot niya. And then automatic na siya. Ayan. Ang laki din ng boot space niya, grabe. Look. So maganda yan pag road trip yung mga maleta mo. It's great space. Ayan, binigyan sila ng coloring yan kasi ida-drive test ko yung Carnival, guys. Hindi naman, ay umuulan pa rin pala. So drive test natin yung car na yan. Hindi ba? Kasasabi ko lang next year na kami bibili ng car. But we'll see. Drive test ko muna siya. But when you sit at the front naman, it doesn't feel like na van yung dinadrive mo. Para lang siyang SUV. So, i-drive test natin. Kasi meron daw, meron black and white or white na available in 26 days. So, yeah, we'll see. Good job, you guys. Riker, do you like the minivan or we'll keep Mommy's car?
I want a minivan.
You want a minivan? What color? Black or white?
Black.
Black. I like black too.
But I like it, but it's magic.
Why is it magic? The door is magic? Huh? How is it magic?
You press that button and we'll open this magic.
Magic door, yung sliding door. Do you like it, no? Oh, Baba. So yeah, look at the boot space, you guys. Ang lalim. So that's great for road trip. You know? Yeah. Na-drive test ko na siya. It doesn't feel like you're driving like a minivan. It's great. Ang laki. So ganyan lang yung kulay niya na madi-deliver in 26 days. Black and beige. Black and brown pala, sorry. Two-tone din naman siya. Ayan, bahay na pala kami, guys. And dumaan pala kami ng baby bunting. So I bought more bassinet shades and the mattress. So, kaya tayo. And try natin to. Sana kasya siya. Hindi ko kasi siya na-measure. So, inas ko na lang si ChatGPT kung ano yung measurement ng aking mattress for that bassinet. So, hopefully it fits. So, at least marami-rami na tayong shades for our hindi pa kot bassinet. Ay, hiningal ako. Aray. Okay. The barbie. But we're not gonna remove it from the plastic. So at least alam natin kung pwede natin i-return, no? Okay, nakasya siya. Yay. Ayan. It fits. So I got the Sina bamboo mattress. So ito, super nipis kasi niya. So baka gamitin ko na lang yan as a changing pad ni baby kapag naliligo sa baba and nag-change yung nappy. So, yeah, saktong-sakto siya. Hindi lang naman yung gap dito. That's good. So, ayan pala yung setup ko. I'm using, obviously, yung drawer ni Ben. And nalis ko yung damit niya dito sa dalawang top drawers para gagamit natin for baby stuff. Ayan, nilagay ko na pala yung nappy and wipes dito. And I'll put his clothes here. Ito kasi hindi siya kasya eh. So, try ko yung maliliit. But yeah, this big one. I can't fit on this top drawer. And then, meron akong cover for this changing mat pad. Wait. And yeah. Ayan yung organic cotton na nabili kong shades. Try natin itong dalawa pa. So, marami-rami na. Bali, ano na yung nabili natin? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bali, 7 na yung meron akong bed sheets. Bassinet sheets. Kasi palitan yung dalawa yung bassinet ko eh. Babataas ang ating bassinet. So, yung cute na ito koala. Then, kangaroo and emu. Australian animals. Cute na. So, dito sa laundry para palaban na.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
You guys, dinner na pala. And nag-order na lang ako ng aking dinner. Sila mag-pizza daw sila eh. Lalabas sana kami tonight. Kakain kami dun sa kinainan namin nila Reyes, nila Manay, yung Japanese. Kasi yun yung kinikrave ko. Kaso, sabi ni Ben, binuko na yun ng 6 eh. Maglalaro pala yung Port Adelaide, yung football. So, busy yung city. And malamig din daw. Tinamad na siyang lumabas. Sabi ko, hi! Kailan kaya ako ulit makakakain doon? Gusto ko, kinikrave ko yung nila, miso soup nila na maraming beef, yung gulay. And yung takoyaki nila. Basta marami. Tapos unlimited yun eh, di ba? Anyway, in-order ko na lang yung aking favorite na chicken kebab. So, kain tayo. Kiss. Are you hungry now? You wanna try?
No.
Okay. I want the tomato. Of course, namuto na yung gulay.
You.
Ay, yung farmer wants a wife. Bukas pa pala yata yun.